Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro JPY, Euro Japanese Yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of Euro JPY. I'll try to keep the video short because there is a construction going on nearby. There will be some disturbances and noises. Okay, so I'll try to wrap it up as fast as possible. Okay. So the last traded price of Euro JPY was 127.70. This is the last traded price here, and on the chart of Euro JPY, if you observe the chart carefully, then there is no doubt that this is a seller's market. As we all know, the thumb rule of the market is follow the trend. It means that if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. Okay, and the trend of the market is definitely towards the downside, as we all know, and we had a strong support at the level of 128 here on Euro JPY, but on Friday Euro JPY broke the support of 128 with good amount of volume. Yes, it not only broke the support in a normal speed, but yes, price also had the support of volume, and that was quite a big thing for the market. Okay, because market broke the support of 127, so 128. So right now Euro JPY is in a very critical position here. When market was when market was in downtrend, market is falling, then we saw that market was trying to recover, market was trying to take support at the level of 128 level, and it was trying to bounce from here. Though there was not much buying power, the buying power was absent, but still market was trying to recover. But again, the sellers are back to the party again, and they are started selling again. So as a result, Euro JPY is under pressure again. And on the chart of Euro JPY, we have few opportunities. So listen to me carefully. So first of all, after the market opening, if market comes down and bounces from 127.60 level to 127.40 level, yes, we have a support here. Previously when market was falling, this was the level that provided support to the market. So on Monday there is a possibility of market trying to take support. Market may try to take support and bounce from here. If it bounces from here, you can take a buy position, but please follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because the trend of the market is towards the downside. If you are buying here, that means you are going against the trend of the market, so this can be risky. Beginners, new traders, strictly you should be following proper risk management. Okay, so if you're buying, if market takes a support here and bounces from here, you can take a buy at this level following proper risk management. Okay, that is your first trading opportunity. But if not what I'm saying, okay, and if market breaks the support here and starts going down, because this is a seller's market, if sellers tries to sell again, if they break the support, then obviously we will see fresh selling on the market below this level. Okay, I'm talking about fresh selling. It means that, see, this level was trying to provide support to the market, and if on Monday, if market breaks this support with good amount of volume with a big fat red candle, you can take a sell position below 127.40 level. Okay, you can take a sell position below 127.40 level if market breaks the level with good amount of volume, and this is your second trading opportunity. Okay, so first trading opportunity is if market bounces from the support zone, you can take a buy, but it is risky, you can skip as well. But if market breaks the level of 127.40, you can take a sell position. That is your second trading opportunity. And if surprisingly, shockingly, market goes up on Monday, then the Fibonacci level here, 128.80 to 129.00. This level will be acting as resistance for the market, and there is a good possibility of market reversing from this level. So if market surprisingly goes up and reverses from this level, we can take a sell position. These are the three trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro JPY right now. If you think that there are some other windows as well, you can write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. So bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday again, and hopefully you have understood. So please like the video and click on the subscribe button.